What's going on, Monopoly family? Welcome back to the channel. Guys, one of you has recently messaged me and said, Zed, what's the fastest route to success? How can I achieve financial freedom quickly? Now guys, in this video I want to talk to you about financial freedom, change and progress, and also the process. The process you're going to have to go through. Every person that is successful went through, and you need to go through it if you want to see success in the first place. Because here's the thing, guys, one of you has put it so nicely in the comment section. Everybody wants the outcome, but not everybody wants the process. And that's why not many people get to make it. So I want to simplify your life in this video. I want to simplify your way of doing things. I want to tell you where you should focus your time, your energy. And I want to tell you how to simplify and find the business idea that's going to take you to the next level in this video. Alright guys, on this channel, we all share the same mindset. We all share the same ideology, and we're all after one thing, and that is the paper, the money. We're all after financial freedom. We're all after financial progress, comfort. And anybody that smashes that like button is sharing the same mindset as me today. And we know for a fact that if we get that money, we can become better people. We can focus on health. We can focus on love. We can focus on charity, giving back, and we can focus on our happiness. Now guys, there's two ladders in life. There's this ladder here and there's this ladder here. Everybody wants this ladder. When I say everybody, I mean everybody. Everybody that knows about money wants this ladder. Because nobody can say to me, I don't want financial comfort. Everybody wants financial comfort. But we all get stuck here at this ladder. Right here, right? And this is usually where we start being unhappy. We start hating what we do. We start feeling depressed. We might hit a midlife crisis. We might start having regrets in life because our potential is hindered. Now, what is this ladder? This is where you settle for the 9-to-5 job or a part-time job. Because there isn't really that much progress. And it will stop being about money on one stage, and it will stop being about title and the way they give you that title that you feel good about on LinkedIn, and it starts being about freedom, comfort. Now, as humans, if we want to progress, guys, to this big ladder, we gotta declutter our life because we cannot multitask. Yes, many people say I can multitask. You can't. You can't multitask business. Your full focus has to be on business, not here. I mean, yes, you're going to be a 9-to-5 job while you're running your business. When I say business, I'm talking about any business idea here you have. So you're going to have a job, and on the side, you're going to be juggling business. So this job here, as someone that has been in that position, we feel like we have to go around and buying materials, right? And cluttering our life and just cluttering our lifestyle with things that we know won't make us happy, but because we want to act our wage, we want to reward ourselves, we start buying all these things to make us happy. But this is, cluttering your life, and is clouding your vision, and your focus and your energy is just towards these materials. Yes, you spend so much energy on materials and you don't even know it. I can't explain how, but the fact that you're thinking about what's this and that, it's just too much energy focused on materials that take money away from you and not return anything to you. So in order to progress to the second ladder, you gotta go back down here. So here, you just decluttered your lifestyle, guys. Now your vision is clear. Now you can progress to finding the business idea that you're gonna take and destroy and make it into your baby. And the reason why I'm saying this is because I've went through these things. This is exactly the path that I took, guys. So the second thing is gonna be this. Finding a business idea that is working, that you can make money in quick, right? Listen, quick. I'm not talking 20 years, I'm talking quick, 1 to 5 years. That's quick for me, 1 to 5 years. Some people make it quicker than others, assuming they, avoided the mistakes you would make in those businesses, but you have to fail big in order to progress. And here is where you minimize your risk in business. And this is how you find out where your money is in the first place. You look at somebody who's already ahead of you in the game, somebody who's already successful, and you dissect him. Not literally, obviously, you can't dissect somebody, that'll be weird. But you dissect their money and ways of making money and find out what's working and how they became the person they are today. And you replicate. That's the fastest route to success. And the easiest way to make it today. And I'm not talking about replicating Zed Monopoly. I don't want you thinking I'm trying to promote myself. But replicating anybody or whatever business idea you feel like will take it to the next level or suitable for you, you replicate that person's way of doing things. And that's the fastest way of success, is to replicate that person who's already ahead of you. Dissect the business idea, because now you know this business is actually working and it's making money. Let me give you an example. You watch YouTube today. Here is a business idea on its own. A YouTube video, you can scale a YouTube channel and you can grow it. Now that's just an idea, just a little example here. But that's replication, looking at somebody and replicating them. But obviously, you're gonna go through a process. And this is where I say everybody wants the outcome, but not many people want the process. You're gonna go through a process, right? This process, many people will say it's risky, but the fact that you've replicated someone and you know that person has already proved for you that this business is working, you replicated that person. So when you go through these doubts in business, and every businessman or any entrepreneur that wants to start a business will go through, when you start going through these doubts, you're gonna want to turn back. But the fact that you've noticed that person has already proved for you that this business is working, you're gonna say to yourself, I'm crazy for turning back. This business is making money and it's proven. There is no risk here. It all falls back to you now. The only thing you have to do is now put in your time, your dedication, your sacrifices, and your hard work. That's the only thing that's left. It's you, not the business, because the business has already been proven and it's working. That's it. That's the fastest route to success. And I said this in multiple videos, guys. And you see that I'm hyped up in this video because knowing what I know today, guys, you know, if I was to go back, I will do exactly that. Look at somebody who's already ahead of me and just replicate them and see what they're doing. See how they're making money. See how they're progressing. I mean, that's the fastest route to success. With trading, I probably looked at somebody who made it and I said, okay, I don't remember who, but I said, okay, he made it. I got to make it. I will make it. I mean, some of you are drop shippers, you look at somebody who's already ahead of you. If that person is actually legit and has showed you that he's making money, you say, okay. If that YouTuber is making money and shows you his figures, you say, okay, I can make a YouTube channel and make money off YouTube. And all these ideas. A real estate guy, you dissect a real estate guy and see, okay, he's doing Airbnb, rental properties and whatnot. I can do the same thing because I have the property or I have the money for it. I mean, this is how you progress. You don't have to go around trying to look for the next Instagram app that you can develop or some mobile app that you can develop because you think you have to be smart or have some, you know, idea that is different from the rest. That's not how it works. This is 2019. This is where the money is today. Replication. I mean, nobody told you this. Nobody told me this to begin with. I had to find that out for myself. I actually had to just believe in myself. I know you don't believe in yourself, but when a framework, when a business is working, then all you have to do is follow it. That's it. That's it. You just have to put in time now and dedication and hard work. Period. That's it. It all falls back to you. Now it's all based on how bad you want it. Not if the business works or it doesn't. It's all based on how bad you want the business to work or how bad you want the money in the first place. So you'll do anything in your power and you'll sacrifice anything for that money. And that's how you progress. That's how you succeed today, guys. The fastest route to success. And that is the fastest route to success. You don't go investing for 40 years to succeed and quit your job and change your lifestyle. That's not going to work. We have to be factual here. We have to be really honest here. It's going to take you 1 to 5 years to get to where you want to be and make the $1 million. But do you want it? How bad do you want it? You know, you can make it, you can quit your job within a year once you get your shit together. Maybe you don't make the $1 million within a year. And sooner or later, you'll find that out for yourself. It will be worth it at the end of the day. You will want the money, guys. You will want the money in your pocket day after day once you make your first 100K. You'll want the quarter. You want the half. You want the midi. And that's how you move forward financially. It's easy, simple. Nothing else. No complication. You know, you have to go through that process where you want to just go through it and then disregard everything. I mean, there will be a festival on and you don't even want to go to the festival. You just want to go and work on your business. That's how bad you want it. You know, you have your beard. Your beard will, your face will be so disgusted because you're a war zone. Unless your business is to do with you looking good, obviously, then you probably won't do that. But that's the way it's going to happen, guys. And I'm only saying it because that's the reality of business. You know, it's a war zone. Then you can go buying the things that you want to buy. After, not now. You can go enjoy your life when you made your money. You take your money you made from that business, you pay your tax, you go invest in real estate, and you do that time and time again. And you build yourself a foundation and security. The same security and even bigger than a 9 to 5 would have gave you or a part-time job would have gave you. But it all depends on how bad you want it. That's it. All depends on how bad you want this to work for you. Now you realize everybody wants the big ladder. Everybody wants to climb this ladder. But not many people want this process to get to this ladder. And that's why if it was so easy, everybody won't make it. Well, here's the answer to it in this video. Everybody wants the outcome. Not many people want the process. Gotta go. See you again for more videos. Appreciate you for watching. Smash that like if you made it this far, guys. Here's my Instagram somewhere here. Go follow me there because we'll have these chats. From now on, it's just real talk. Pure, honest talks, guys. No hiding anything from now on. It's just me and you chatting, you know, because I know what it feels like to have someone or to not have anybody there to guide me through my life. See you again for more videos. Appreciate you for watching.